Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the portfolio section in the Stake app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Stake app. I'm going to click on this. And after opening the Stake, what we need to do, we have to go to the portfolio section. And after going to the portfolio section, you will be able to see all the purchased and sold and closed deals here. If you want to invest, you have to click on the invest. If you want to deposit your funds, you can also do that. If you want to earn, you have to click on the earn section. And as you can see, you will be able to see all the details here. Like if you want to share the link, you will get the $40 to invest and you will get the 14 rewards. So these all details are provided here. 1 month free rent, 13 days are left. So you will be able to see all the rewards here. So I'm going to click on the portfolio again. So let's click on the portfolio. And if you want to closed sale, you can also do that. You have to click on the closed sale and you will be able to see all the closed sales here, like sell your stake, buy secondary listing. These all details are provided here. So I'm going to the back again. So these all things are mentioned here. You will be able to see the analytics here. Like if you want to increase this, you can also do that. Monthly income is provided here, like around $1,500. Project portfolio is this. So in this way, you can manage this like the 6% net yield, 15 years. And if you want to increase this 25 years, you will get more always, whatever is the rates. So in this way, you can check your portfolio section, manage your portfolio section, and use your portfolio section. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.